Hello, beautiful souls. This is the Mystic Willow once again, and we are here to unbox this Wisdom of the Oracle na binili ko sa Amazon kasama nung first deck ko, which is the Regent White or Regent Rider White Tarot deck. So, ngayon ko pa lang siya bubuksan. And we'll see. This is a 52 card deck. It has a companion book. Okay, according to the description at the back, it says that this oracle allows you to interpret messages about all aspects of your journey with over 250 independent meanings that can speak to an unlimited number of circumstances. It has imagery of animals, the elements of nature, and other potent symbols which will touch you deeply so that a soulful dialogue about your life can take place. So, it is a general oracle that we can use to help us or guide us with the wisdom of the oracle. So let's open this box. So I'm going to open the oracle card. Be careful, I don't want to damage the box. Okay. It's easy to open. Nice box, so it will really protect the card inside. You can store your cards here. So it has a moderately thick guidebook, very small, very compact, and nicely done. Good bind, book bind, and it has 204 pages, around 204 pages. So the card is numbered actually from 1 to 52, and in the booklet you can see here it's arranged according to its number. And along with each description or so in front of the booklet it says here the definition of an oracle. According to here, an oracle is a person, shrine, or object that delivers guidance from a divine source and speaks wise counsel and advice. So, an oracle could not only be a person, it can also be a thing or a shrine that speaks guidance or wisdom to help us. Basically, that's the definition of an oracle. And according to the booklet also, it defines what divination is all about. Okay? According to the book, divination is asking for and receiving divine inspired guidance from an oracle. So let's see. Uh, so this Collete Baron-Reid also has a small or a brief letter here, I think how she processed or how she managed to create the card. It, it also has a section on teaching us how to use the cards, how this oracle deck works, and some preparation for the reading, also the arrangement, how to use the cards, one card reading, two card reading, and so on and so forth. So let's go with the card itself. See, each card has its own guidance, essential meaning, the oracle's message. It has different sections depending on what actual guidance do you need. It also has relationship messages, prosperity message, and protection messages. Basically, that's the pattern or the format for every card inside the booklet. Now let's see the card. Very nice cards. The back side has a glossy finish, glossy touch in it. Okay. The thickness is good. It's okay. It's an average, and even the front, it has a glossy finish. An average size deck, very easy to hold the deck. Medyo maliit lang yung kamay ko. So now we'll go with the flip through of each card. Yang, you have the Yang. Yin, between worlds, higher power, orphaned, not for you, to the sea, the tribe, treasure island, unfinished symphony, by the book, a change in the wind, fork in the road, truth be told, message in a bottle. all that glitters. The fates. Wow, serendipity. Flexible. Imagine. Clean it up. Blessed. Peace. Time for a nap. Round and round. Happy. Happy. Exchanging gifts. Building blocks. Breathe. Tick tock. Why? Here and now. Chaos and conflict. A leg up. Loyal heart. Come to the edge. Never ending story. To be fair. New life. Co-create. Soulmates. Chop wood. Deep knowing. It's kind of deep. Tinker. Time to go. Regeneration. Go the distance. Poised. Observer. No place like home. Or no peace like home. Yeah, no place like home. Milk and honey. And the last one is mending. That's all the card. Now let's try to pick one card. Wisdom of the Oracle. Please give me one card that will have significance to my life today. Now let us shuffle the cards. What will the card give me? And after that, we'll be reading the guide. So what does it want us to tell? Cut the card. That's good. This one. Co-create. This is the card that was given to me. What is this card? Let's see. What's the meaning of the card? Co-create. So the essential meaning: creativity, art, inspiration, fruition, manifestation. So the oracle's message, you may not consider yourself a creative person, but in fact you are creating your reality every moment of every day via your thoughts, feelings, belief, intentions, and actions. Yet you must consider that you do so in partnership with the spirit, consciousness, God, or whatever name you call your higher power. You are a spark of this intelligence that works through you, nudging you with inspired thoughts and intuitive guidance. You are a paintbrush that co-creates a beautiful, unique expression of your own individuality blended with universal spirit. You are a product of divine inspiration, and now you're aligned with it to create miracles. When you view your life as art and know you co-create, only beauty and grace result. Prepare to be amazed. Wow, what a nice meaning. So, this oracle guides, you can use it yourself actually to help you in your everyday guidance, points to ponder, eka nga or sabi nga nila, soup for the soul, everyday soup for the soul. So, the card that I get in the first card that was given to me, I fully resonate with this one. So that's why, wow, I find it very cool. Let's read the relationship message. I'm interested also to know. Okay, what does this card mean? Connection of the heart served to inspire you, opening you up to new ideas you would never have come to on your own. You are looking in a mirror, held up by this experience and seeing yourself in an unexpected way. Who is this extraordinary being looking back at you? You are going to be so happy that you kept your heart open. Your love is a unique work of art now and every embodiment of beauty. Nice. What about the prosperity message? Flashes of inspiration gives rise to great success. When you receive this message, you are at most creative now, and whatever you apply to yourself, it will lead you to the fruition of your dreams. Remember that all your ideas are channeled from the higher source. You create your reality in partnership with the spirit. The potential for manifestation is unlimited now. Revel in its vastness. Very nice. Thank you, my spirit guides, angels. So that's the message I received from my spirit guides today, and I fully resonated with the message. So thank you, my spirit guides, my angel guides, for giving me such a wonderful message. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of these oracle cards. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video and you want to see more of my journey towards spiritual development, my soul nourishment, feel free to follow and like. Thank you very much.